How to send Interac e-transfer on Scotiabank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to transfer the amount on Scotiabank, here is how you can do it with Interac e-transfer. First and foremost, log in into your Scotiabank mobile application. After that, once you are in the home page, tap on Move Money, which is the second option. On the bottom navigation bar, tapping on it should take you to another page from where you can select another option, which is Interac e-transfer. Click on it and it will take you to another page. Here you have three tabs: Send, Request and Manage. Select on the From in order to select the account from which you want to send the money from. You can simply tap on Already Set Up Accounts, and once that is done, follow the same steps for the To account as well. Once you have done all of this, move on to the next page to enter the amount, and then you have to answer the security question. Likewise, you can optionally add a message as well, and after that you'll have to slide to send. Now make sure to review all of your details before you confirm. So this is how you can send Interac e-transfer on Scotiabank. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.